Today we're going to be making my mum's Sicilian cauliflower dish. And Mum, tell me a little bit about this dish. Where did you learn it from?
Oh, from generations. My mum and my grandparents.
Do you remember when your mum taught you how to make it, how old you were?
No, don't go there. No.
So tell me about this dish. What's the first thing that you do when you make this Sicilian cauliflower dish? What do you do first?
First I blanch the cauliflower.
Yeah, is it a whole cauliflower?
Whatever. It depends on how many people you're cooking for. And
all right. And with salted boiling water?
No, just blanch it.
Yeah.
Plain water because the salt will go in the ingredients.
Okay.
Okay.
And then what happens next?
Right. So next, put some eggs in.
Yeah.
Well, it depends on how big the cauliflower is.
Yeah.
And how much you want to do. You put the amount of eggs in, and then you add parsley,
yeah,
garlic, not a cheese. I love cheese.
Yeah. I got the pecorino for you. You happy with that?
Yeah, it's got the peppers
in
it. Perfect. Yeah. I don't measure anything, I just go by
what do you go by, the feel or the taste?
The taste.
Yeah.
Yes. Depends how much salt you want, how much pepper you want, and so you whisk that.
Yep.
Put a little bit of breadcrumbs. Again, I haven't got no measurements. Just go not too thick of a consistency.
Yeah, just the dry breadcrumbs, not like the fresh ones.
No, okay. Just a little bit of that, just to thicken up the ingredients a little bit.
So that's like the batter that we're going to coat the
cauliflower
in.
That's it. Just make sure you beat the eggs properly. And that should do it. Yeah.
And you got to do this straight away, don't you?
Yeah, you do it and you fry it. Yeah.
Yeah, okay. Great.
Dip in.
And then you're just going to fry them.
Yep.
Yeah. Great. It's a quick dish.
Yeah. Yeah. Just blanch them. It's very, look.
Yum.
There's different versions you can make it, but when they're too big, you can cut them in half.
Do you want a knife?
Yes, please. Oh, no, that's already cut.
Well, it's got all the elements of a healthy dish, hasn't it? It's got your eggs, your cheese, your vegetables. There's nothing wrong with a bit of olive oil.
Olive oil is good for you.
Is it?
Yes.
Yeah.
Don't forget. I've always keep telling you that. You don't believe me.
No, I agree with you. I agree.
All right.
Why do you think I don't think olive oil is good for me? Now, you've got to have these straight away, don't you?
Oh, no, you can even have them cold.
The next day?
Yeah.
As an antipasto?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yum.
Spatula.
She's bossing me around. What do you need a spatula?
Yes, please.
Like a flat one?
Yes, please.
This one?
Yes, that'll do.
Anything else?
You have to keep turning them around a little bit. You've got to, when you're cooking, you've got to sort of try to cook them evenly all the way around if you can.
And it's more just to crisp the outer edges because the cauliflower's already cooked.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Just got to keep turning them just to cook them evenly. Cook the egg properly. That's right.
Could you do another vegetable or really it's just the cauliflower?
Oh, if you can. You can even do zucchini if you want.
Yep.
Yeah. If you want to. Do eggplants. Use your imagination. In cooking, everything goes, isn't it?
Well, when I was...
Experiment. I like experimenting.
Do you? What do you like experimenting?
Well, if you do something, you experiment and do another thing. Like you can introduce other vegetables. Yeah.
And whatever's in the season?
Yeah.
Fresh from the garden?
That's right. Like you asked me, you can do zucchini, you can do eggplants.
Oh, I like that one. They're with my frying pans? What's wrong with the frying pan?
Putting more leads on.
Oh, is it? Oh, sorry.
Okay.
Sorry. Do we need a bit more oil? Or?
Yeah, so you've got to turn them around.
Yeah. Do you have to wait for everything to cook, or can you keep adding more as you go along?
Oh, you can.
But you've got to add more oil,
yeah,
don't you?
Yeah, you can.
Yeah. Do they have a little taste?
Yeah, I think it's good. You can add a bit more salt if you want
Yeah.
at the end.
Very good. So when you fry your next batch, you put a bit more oil in the pan.
Yeah, if you see
Yeah.
that the oil is dried up, you've got to add a bit more.
Right. Yeah. I remember what you used to do with the leftover egg. You used to make a little omelette with it.
That's right.
That was the
Right.
best bit. Do you
Throw it-
remember?
Yeah, just
So
throw it in the
every
pan.
time you had the leftover
Little bit egg.
egg in the
yeah.
bottom, you would make a little omelette and we would eat it when we were kids.
Yeah.
Yum. Good. Yeah.
And put the frying pan together.
Yep. Oh, they're really sizzling.
Yeah.
Oh. Can you make me a little omelette?
You know, I
Just
can't.
a little bit. Just a little bit. Just one tiny little one in the corner. That's it. There. Perfect. When did you start cooking? How old were you when your mum let you in the kitchen? Did your mum ever let you in the kitchen?
I was always in the kitchen.
Really?
Yeah.
Why?
I was very young.
Yeah.
Even when I used to go to school, I used to come up from school, I used to start doing for mum and dad.
Really?
Yeah, for my parents.
Because they were working?
Yes, they were working.
Yeah.
And mum would say, when you get home, do this and do that.
So she'd give you the instructions. So you weren't allowed to come up with what you wanted to cook?
No.
She told you what to do.
Well, it was only 11, 12.
Wow. Were you making a
Yeah.
family meal at that age?
Yep.
Mm.
And once me and Dad burned the kitchen. We forgot.
What has happened?
We went next door and we forgot we had the pot on.
What were you making?
We're making pea soup.
Wow. And you burnt the whole kitchen?
No, we didn't, but
Did you
It's
tell
a long
anybody?
story.
Did you clean up before your mum got
oh,
home?
definitely.
Did she know? Did she find out?
Of course.
Yeah. Did you get in trouble?
No.
No.
Well, it wasn't me that cooked, it was Dad, so it was alright.
Yeah, a little bit. Yeah. That looks delicious.
You've got to keep turning so
Yeah.
the egg is all cooked everywhere.
Yeah. And crispy bits would be the best.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yum.
Your little omelette here.
Not a little omelette.
Yeah,
You
oh,
can have
they're
them
nice
at
and
room-
warm, but
room
you can,
temperature?
yeah, you can have them
Be
cold,
nice
so-
for an
yeah.
afternoon snack.
Yeah.
Or main meal,
Yeah.
like as a side dish.
Yes, a side dish.
Or you could even have that as a main dish because it's got the egg and everything in it, hasn't
You
it?
can with some salad. Yeah.
Yeah, wow. Thanks, Mum.
Okay, there you are.
Well, thank you for teaching me this dish. And what is it called?
This is my Sicilian cauliflower dish.